Today I just want to show you how to use the dip switches on the MOD-SLX-IR. So if you have a look inside of your manuals, here you will see the first two buttons. So basically dip switch 1 is to enable a test pattern on the unit. By default this is not enabled. So if I wanted my test pattern, I would flip this one down. If I don't want it, I flip it up. Dip switch number 2 is to enable for PAL I. It's set by default to PAL I. If I flip it down, it's on PAL BG. So when using this in African countries, it's great because you can flip between these two standards. So in South Africa, I want it to be on PAL I. Then dip switch 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is how to select the channel. So if you have a look at this table that comes with it here, for example, channel 21 is on frequency 471.25 megahertz. It's ignore. Then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are all set to 0. So if you have a look, flip it down, 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 down. That's all down because it's not on, so it's off. And that's equal to 0, which is PAL channel 21. Let's say, for example, I wanted to pick channel 32. So it would be, the first one is a 0, which is down, then it's a 1, so that's up, then it's 0, then it's up for 1. So there we go. So just to go over that again, if it says it's a 0, it's facing off, being down. If it says it's a 1, it means it's up, which is on, and it equates to a 1 that's there. So 32 is 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. And that tells the modulator what frequency to set it on. Some of the guys have been having some trouble with the IR functionality. This is fully compatible with all Triax TV links and all SLXs. Just make sure that the power is flipped to on so that it can send the DC out. And if you have a look there, the DC will only flow out of port 2. It does not flow out of port 1. This is for a local loop through. If you guys have any questions or comments on this, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist you.